today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend to graph in Microsoft Excel if you want your chart to be easier to read. Adding a legend is a simple but very useful step. A legend helps identify what each color or data series represents, which makes your graph much clearer for anyone viewing it. In Excel, this only takes a moment, and you can also customize how the legend looks so it fits your chart nicely. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the graph you want to work with. Once you've found it, click to select the chart. Make sure the graph itself is selected because the formatting options only appear when Excel knows which chart you want to edit. After that, right-click on the graph and choose Format from the drop-down menu. As soon as you do this, a formatting panel will open on the right side of the screen. In that panel, switch to the Format tab so you can access the chart display options. Under the Format tab, look for the Legend option. Next to it, you'll see a toggle. Turn that toggle on to add the legend to your graph. As soon as it's enabled, the legend will appear on the chart, making it easier to understand the different data series being shown. If you want to adjust the appearance of the legend, you can expand the legend section for more formatting choices. This gives you extra control over how the legend looks and where it appears. For example, you can choose the legend's position, which is helpful if you want it at the top, bottom, left or right of the chart, depending on your layout. You may also see an overlay checkbox, which lets the legend sit on top of the chart area instead of taking up extra space outside it. Beyond placement, you can customize the text style as well. You can change the font, adjust the font size, and pick a font color that matches your presentation or workbook theme. If you want the text to stand out more, you can also make it bold, italic, or underlined. And for even more visual control, Excel allows you to add a fill color and an outline color to the legend, so it blends better with the rest of your chart design. And that's it. Once the legend is enabled and formatted the way you want, your graph will be much more informative and easier to understand.